Listen and read. What food is good food? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups, and it tells us how much of each food group we should eat. Look at the picture of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grains, for example, rice, roti, and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains gives us energy. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Meat, fish, and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils do too. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy makes us strong. Fat and oil are at the top of the food pyramid. These make food delicious, but our body does not need very much of them. Sometimes we can't get food from all the different food groups. But when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. Choose the correct answer. 1. Protein and dairy help to make us strong. 2. What are at the top of food pyramid? Fat and oil. 3. What food is good food? The healthy foods. 4. Dairy products are milk and eggs. 5. We eat more of the foods at the bottom level of the pyramid.